What's up, YouTubers, market participants, and day traders? You just stumbled upon my channel where I'm going to review my day trades daily. So if you're new to the game, you're struggling to make money, and you got a small account, you found your boy. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Definitely join the family because AKA Will the Wise, AKA Will the Market, and AKA your boy are here. Let's jump into these trades.
Hey everybody, I hope everybody had a great weekend. It is time for the week to start. The market is open, time to make some money or lose some money. Today is a little bit of a setback, but nothing we can't handle. In this episode, we're going to be talking about focusing on quick profits 819. Let's get into it. So, main results down 113 or 133 on 4 trades. 3 of the trades I actually should have made, so that's going to be why I'm saying focus on profits and taking them quickly, right? So I had a few opportunities where I should have took it. First one would be Tesla. As you can see at the bottom, I entered the trade at 9:35 and 9:37 was the ad. So this was a little bit of a late entry. Reason why is because the play that spoke to me was this, right? So this first 2-minute finishes, it's okay. Bulls are somewhat in control. Now you get a full reverse bear, bull 180 kind of right here, bull 180 into the 200 support moving average, breaking all of yesterday's lows. That should have been an entry at 9:33 and 30 seconds to 9:40. Should not have been a minute and 52 seconds late. A minute and 52 seconds caused this entire candle, and then I added on this candle, which was a little too late. It should have been a buy here, and it should have been an add here, not a buy here, add here. I missed the whole candle in this action, and then in missing this whole candle in this action, I missed my 15%. Because I think I was at like 8 to 10% just from this one candle. I should have had this candle in there, and I should have had my percent move, and I should have been out of this play here. Nonetheless, I got caught into it, and I ended up taking a little bit of a loss here. Not the worst loss. The 5-minute trend was still up, and this would have been a better buy for the 5-minute trend to the upside had I been focused on it. Unfortunately, I was not, so I did not get the beautiful addition of that, right? So this play, it is what it is. It should have been money. That's just shows you how the importance of getting into a play on the last 30 seconds of a candle and not a new candle. I basically had 8 more seconds for this candle to form until I made my decision. So kind of an overall bad decision, bad trade in general. Forced trade there. Another trade here. This one I did have my 20% up, so I could have won here. I did not. I entered 52 seconds late, but this was a nice green candle, and that's why I entered it. I entered it because technically I would have wanted to be in this candle here. Technically, it's a huge red candle. But it's not really clearing off any EMAs. It's coming from the top into the support. So that should have been my first. So that was my first sign of caution was the 200 EMA here. But as we get down into this 200 EMA, I should have just. I did the right thing. It goes up a little bit. That was actually technically a discount for the short, so I took the short. It did reverse and went down here, and that did give me 20%. That was the quickest 20%er I've had in a long time. I didn't take it because I only had one contract. It reversed, got stopped out here as I should have, and that's all she wrote. But yeah, this quick reversal right here was a quick 20% profit. But I only had one contract, so it wasn't nothing to go home with, so it is what it is. But I should take those profits, though I really should. Nvidia, the first two trades on Nvidia. So I'm trying to go long, which is go positive, right? So this was the first thing that happened, was the bull 180. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool. You know, we get this red candle into the support, doesn't hold, then we get a nice green shot, overtaking all of it, getting up. It doesn't get out of yesterday's range, and that's where it's kind of iffy. Then it pulls back, and then it exits me here. So I get in on this big green. The red pulls down, and then this was a red candle, and then that's when I got stopped out, just for it to reverse. So as soon as it reversed, you can see that in the 11 seconds of this next bar, I punched it. I was like, oh no, that's kind of another little bull 180 reversal off the 200 moving average. So I punched it long there. No. That was this candle at the 11. This candle that I bought the second time was at 946. So I bought it in 16 seconds. 16 seconds on this candle right here. Oh, sorry, on this candle right here, going up. So I bought two of them, 118. I bought the next one here when green took over red. As soon as this green shot over and took over the red, I added another one. This was a one solid push, which was also at my 20%, so I took profit. And then the next candle, I saw it go up a little bit and start reversing. Then I just took off the last bit of it there. And as you can see, it's basically done a lot of whipsaw action. So no really clear direction on Nvidia, unfortunately. So, which also brings me to my next trade. I should have just stayed away from it. But I make the trade obviously to the upside. And then the stock just comes tumbling down, hits here. I shouldn't have shorted here. This was a bad trade because not only did it go under, but then it started reversing and reversing and reversing and reversing, and it didn't hold it. I remember telling myself, okay, if the next candle opens below it, I'll take the trade. Why did I take that trade? So it did open here, and then it gave me red, and then I took the trade. So 7 seconds into the next candle, I took the trade. This is a bad trade. This was a very, very bad trade because not only did the first candle that I would have wanted to be in reversed, telling me, hey, it's not time yet. And then this candle not even closing or being my buy entry. I used basically a confirmation candle in the wrong position, in the wrong state. This was not supposed to be an entry. This should have been in a trade all in general. I should have avoided. And then yeah, my stop should have been here. I should have been stopped out here, not here, because my reason for entry is this candle, and that was the high. So as soon as my reason for entry is gone, I should have been out of this play. So this was an overall bad trade. Should have kept $62 in my pocket, but it is what it is. That is how that trade went as well. And then last but not least, I guess that is it. The lesson of the week is going to be only to lose one bar. That's what I'm going to try to focus on. That should be lose, not loss. Only lose one bar, and that is just basically when you take a position and you started that position due to this, or you due to this circumstance. Usually it's because of a bar. As soon as you lose that bar, the play's over, and that's what I want to get into the habit of. Not holding on to anything past the plays that I am trying to hit home runs on. Anyways, that's it for the day.